Got a mailbag. Let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, I think. 9 if I counted right. Circuit board. My favorite package. Circuit board. Looks like it's a kit of some sort. This is a LED hourglass. So I guess it just times the LEDs going from one side to the next. I don't know if I guess it uses a microcontroller. STC. So it's a little electronic kit. LED hourglass, or I'm not sure what they call it. Digital voltage meter. My blade's starting to wear out again. This is a panel mount voltage meter. I think it's white. I'm not really sure what color it is. It'd be cool if it was white. I thought I could put this in a project, monitor mains voltage, or put it in my make like a power. If I have a power strip, or make a bunch of outlets or something, I could put this in there and monitor the voltage, line voltage. Let's hope. I hope it says AC 20 to 500 volts, so it should be good for most stuff. Very cool. It was very cheap. Maybe I'll tear it down and see how cheap it is. It looks pretty good though. Feels nice. I see a big giant capacitor in there. Screw terminals look okay. They're separated on both sides. One goes in one goes in the other. There's a big shield between them in the middle. Not too shabby. I like that. Good for any panel project you have that's going to be using industrial power. Toy. Oop, I just cut it. Shit. I just cut across the PCB. This is a Wi-Fi antenna. Hopefully that doesn't affect it. I just gouged the silk screen. I mean the solder mask. It was just loose in the package. This is a strip antenna, PCB strip antenna for Wi-Fi, I believe. It's supposed to be for Wi-Fi. Man, I can't believe I did that. That copper's really thin. Hopefully I didn't mess up the antenna. Little strip Wi-Fi antenna. Power adapter. It's probably not tuned properly to the right frequency. Oh, this is a camera. This is an OV. It doesn't say. I forget which one this is. This is the really cheap one. It's a couple bucks. I think it's a 640 camera. 2016. Wow, these are old. It's an OV7670. But I just wanted some really cheap cameras to plug into stuff to maybe use as like night vision or some really cheap good motion detection. And this should be plenty for what I want to do with it. Maybe even put a lens on it and use it as a... Oh, they glued the lens on there. I hate why they do that. Yeah, they really glued that on there, so the focal distance you won't be able to adjust the focal distance without loosening some of that glue up. And that looks like they really glued it. Good. You could replace this whole unit though, I guess. Yeah, it's got a little cap on it. Little cheap camera. Ugh. 2 more packages that I cut. I like these little packages. Ooh. There goes that package. Can't reuse that. These are just like little plug-in lights. I think this would be cool for your car, like just to plug in and have light up your, you know, your wherever you have a jack. Let's glue it in there. There we go. So it's basically a USB jack with a little LED board just soldered right on there. There's 2 LEDs, 2 resistors, just a USB jack. Let's power it up, see what we got. Where's my USB? Whoop. Something's falling down on me. That's the wrong one. Alright, well, we'll just use a micro to mini adapter. Alright, so that's purple. That's a purple one. And this one is also purple. Very light. It's almost pink. Not a very good purple. I'll put this one back together. It's just a case that it slides in and then this little lens goes over it. Just snaps in. I think they just glued them in. This one wasn't in there very well. That must be why they glued them. There you go. Be cool to use them as like a footwell. I don't know. they're just, there's tons of these and they're all different colors and prices. Kind of cool. Toys. I like toys. Ah, it's not toys. This is a USB-C HDMI adapter, a very cheap one. I am interested to see if it works. So I will test that later and see if it works. Module converter. It's a piezo breakout. I ordered a bunch of these so I can play with piezos without having to, so I just have a piezo in my kit. So if I want to do a piezo or a buzzer kit, I could just plug it up to my, my breadboard. But I wound up making a bunch of breadboard friendly SMD and I made my own board while I was waiting for this, with just different kind of piezos on a different kind of buzzers on a just some boards. But if I just want to add one to a project, this would be cool. These took so long to get here. I got some other ones and I just soldered them up. So, but that's an essential piece of kit you should have if you want to start playing with sound. Plastic sheet. It's HS12C007. I'll have to check the tracking number on that. This is some kind of SMD component. It looks like some kind of transistor. 1P. Maybe 50 of them. I don't have a lot of SMD transistors, so I started ordering some useful, NPNs and stuff like that, and some basic essential ones. These are probably 23904s or 2222s or something basic, or an amplifier one. I'm not really sure what I ordered. Some SMD transistors. This is an antenna. Be careful while cutting that one so I don't destroy another one. This is supposed to be a Wi-Fi antenna. If you watch anybody's videos, and a lot of them are not actually spec'd for Wi-Fi or balanced for Wi-Fi, or tuned, or whatever the word is. So it comes with the little SMA connector to I forget what these are called, ISPs? I forget what these are called. I don't know how I forgot that, but I did. And it's got a bulkhead connector. Oh, this is an adapter. Oh, okay, this is an adapter. This is I don't even know what that is. Some kind of adapter. Interesting. It's got a washer and a lock washer and a nut. So that's cool. You can screw this bulkhead into your component, into your box, and it's just a dumb bulkhead, and then you can actually screw this in and assemble it later. So it's a little whip and the antenna that goes with it, and it's one of those adjustable antennas. It's supposed to be for Wi-Fi. We'll see. Test clip. There's some micro grabbers. They're actually really big. But these are cool because they have the jump DuPont connectors built in. So you don't have wires everywhere if you're not using it. So you just plug those on. I don't know what's with these DuPont connectors that are coming out with these little U-channel instead of pins. They're really crappy. Really crappy though. But that'll be handy. Oh, I got one more. Adapter board. Oh, there's the adapter boards I was looking for. I've been waiting. Oh, there's more in there. These are what I've been waiting for. These are SOT 23 transistor package. breakouts. So now I can make some breadboard friendly SMD transistor breakouts. I think I got 20 of them. So, I think that's everything. That's it for now. Till next time.